till now everything is okay, but let's see how long it will be. So yeah, everything is okay. So guys, this is happening. I think this started now, the downvoting. So previously this Artod has 9 upvotes and I got like something 5 over here, but now they decrement together they just decrement by 1. So might be that's a coincidence, but I don't know. I don't think so that's a coincidence. So let's see. Still, like right now I just have my keen eyes to just catch who is doing this. Like I'm not able to catch it, but I can at least show the proof to the Leetcode community so that the Leetcode admin can work on this issue. So guys, here's the catch. Now I finally found like the hacker is like, I don't know who's the one who's doing that, but it's still now is downvoting my post. Okay, so if you carefully look at over here, this is my post on the top one, and below one is the another post. Okay, so my post got 12 likes and that one 31, doesn't matter. But now what you will see in the before this, my post achieved something 15 votes, but somehow it dropped down to 12. I thought might be somebody does not like it, but somebody is targeting me. So now it's something about 8 upvotes, so might be it's go less more if you carefully look at over here. So as you can see, now it's dropped down to 8. So here's what I found. So Leetcode is, please, it's a highly request to you, please do something on this issue, because seriously, I'm not liking this problem anymore, because I'm literally hating it, and soon I will stop posting more solutions over here. So please Leetcode, do something. The best thing is like just simply remove this downvote option from the post. Just simply remove it. It's unnecessary. Okay, so thank you very much.